Okay, let's begin. So first of all, before we begin, actually, I would like to ask whether is there anyone having trouble logging to the Discord? So because we have to fix these errors. Anyone having troubles logging to the Discord? Discord prashna කාටද තියෙන්නේ තව? I think all are okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you there in these groups?
Yes, sir. I'm in grade 9.
Okay.
Sir, can you add?
Sorry, Denori?
Sir, can you add me for grade 9, sir?
Which one would they? So this one or the next one?
The first one, sir.
Added. Anyone else? Anyone else like having problems? Isuli? Isuli, I think you heard I added you, Isuli. Then who else? Nadun. Nadun,
Yes, sir.
correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kusal,
Yes, sir. No, sir.
have you created this or not?
I in main grade 9 ICT class.
So have you created the login, Discord login?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Under what is your name?
DM Kusal Kavishayakanaga, sir.
No. So I'm just asking what is the name in the Discord?
My name also DM Kusal Kavishayakanaga, sir.
No, so I can see them. Okay.
I already added to that teacher, sir.
Okay. Is the no?
No, sir.
Right. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Okay. Then so that problem is solved. Next is
Excuse me,
Edmodo.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you add me? I'm Misuli.
Isuli, I have already added you.
Okay, sir.
Isuli, right? Yes, I already added. Just now I added actually. So
Okay,
if I
sir.
put hello message, then you will get that, right? If I said hello, you will get that because you are added now. Okay, then so that's the first thing. The second thing is Edmodo. Okay, the second thing is Edmodo. Please create this as well because this is also needed when you do the practicals, especially the assignments, examinations. You need Edmodo login. So let me share you the Edmodo class. If you are already not there, you can view like so. I think we have not created grade 9 new class. Yes, let me create that for you. And I'll share you the code. You can use that code to log into the particular class. Let me create a group, new one. Go to the classes, add, create a class, and this one is for grade 9 English medium, right? And the grade is grade 9. Subject is computer technology, and computer technology here also. I'm changing colors to green. Great. Okay, so here's the code. So if you are already there in Edmodo, please use this code to join Edmodo. If you don't have Edmodo account, so this is the code. I have already shared that. If you don't have Edmodo account, you have to create a new account using the same code. Create a new account using the same code. How? You can go to this website, new.edmodo.com. After that, I'll send you the link if you don't have. Okay, after moving to the new.edmodo.com, you can create sign up for free account. This one, sign up for free account. Sign up for free account.
So I joined the class.
Okay, then student account. Under that, please select student account. Here you have to type your location, that is Sri Lanka, if you are in Sri Lanka, if you are in other countries, select that. Okay, then next. After that, they will give you a place to put that class code. Sorry, this is not the class code. Let me use the class code. So we are using this class code, right? Please use that class code. Then the username, you can type, let's say Denori, grade 9. And email is optional. You can ignore that. You have to type your password, the password that you can remember.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is it okay to withdraw class from grade 7?
Yeah. And you can create the account there. So what you have to give? You have to give the group code, then the username. Username, actually, you can give your name and grade 9, right? Your name, G9. Then the password, any password that you like, you can give there and create the account. After creating the account, again, you will be directed to this login page. There, please go to the classes and you can add, join a class, and then give the class code that I have shared. I'm sharing the class code again. So this is the class code. And if you don't have account, you have to go to new.edmodo.com and create account there. You have to give the class code here to join to the classroom. Sorry, it's wrong. Give the class code here and join the classroom. Then after that, you should be able to see English medium class under your account. Actually, I can see 8 members there already. Lanitu, Senuka, Denori, Kusal, Tihan, Gatmi, Nadun, Lakshya. Okay. 8 are there. Others? I think others are also creating, right? Who are not there? Anadi, your account is missing. Please create that. Denori's account is there. Gayatni's account is there. Isuli, your account is missing. Please create that. Kusal, your account is missing. Please create that. Lanidu's account was there. Malindu's account is not there. Please create Malindu. Matisha's account is not there. You have to create that also. Nadun.
Excuse me, sir.
Account too. Yes.
Sir, I already joined to the class now.
You join it. Okay, let me check.
Yes, sir. That Kusal Kavishka.
All right. Yes, I can see. Shaleka 9. Yes. Okay, I can see 9 members there. I think others, please be hurry. Create the account soon. Okay, a kind request. Please turn on the videos in the classroom. So because last year actually we didn't enforce this rule, but actually thinking about your feedback, so I would like to address that issue. So please put your video on. So then it's better, then we can communicate very well by looking at your face. Maybe if you're having your dinner, it's okay, right? Otherwise, please turn on the video, right? Okay. Isuli, Nadun, Tihan. Right. Okay, all set. Anyone having troubles? Anyone having troubles? Log into this. Right, okay. That is okay. Yes, anyone else having troubles? Log into the screen. You can tell me. Can you share the screen? Can you share the screen, please?
Sir, wait a minute.
Okay. I have given the screen sharing. So those who need help, you can share the screen today. Malindu, and sorry, Senuka, Senot, Tiseni, Please turn on the video. If you're in the class, Anadi, please. Meanwhile, others can request the help, Pute. You can share the screen and request the help. Request the help, please do that. Share the screen if you don't have the account. I invite you to share the screen. Don't take much time. We need to move to the next step.
Sir, මේක ඉස්සරලාම එනවා මේ location එකක් select කරලා ඉවර ශ්‍රී ලංකාව දෙන්නුනේ.
Oh, Sri Lanka Dunana. I already addressed that, right? Okay, so let me show that again. So if you are not done, so it will first ask for the here. You have to select student account. After that, you have to select the location. You can type Sri Lanka. If you are in Sri Lanka, you can do Sri Lanka. If you're in another country, you can do that. Then next. After that, the class code is asked. I have already shared that class code. If you missed that, let me share again. And this is the class code, right? You can use that class code. And username, you can use any username, but no spaces. You can use your name, let's say Malindu, grade 9. Then the password, you can use any password that you like, but need to use the same password, right? Any password like MA1@123 MAL. Any password that you like, and then create the account. That's all. After creating the account, what you have to do, please log into the Edmodo and go to your classes. After going to the classes, class වල තියෙනවා කොනේම create කියලා එකක්. ඒකෙන් select කරන්න ඕන. නැත්නම් මේ කහපාට plus එකක් තියෙනවා mobile phone එකේ. In mobile phone, the yellow color plus sign. Create and join a class, and there you can do the class code again. Second time, you have to do the class code again here and join. After that, you will be inside the classroom. Okay, I hope that is also okay. Okay, I can see 9 members, still some members are missing. So please create your accounts as soon as possible. Then it will be easier to you to. Okay, now I can see 13 members. I think all are set, but you have to, Matisha, you have to edit your name. 77I1INYS, who's that? You have to change your name also. Malindu, you have to change your name. How? You can go to your profile. There you can go to the profile and edit it, and also go to the settings and change your name. Click on your face. Go to the profile and add your face. Please use a face which can be used to recognize yourself. Don't put any cartoons and on. Just put your face, right? And then settings වලට ගිහලා නම හදාන්න පුළුවන්. Profile එකට ගිහලා picture එක දාන්න පුළුවන්. Settings වලට ගිහලා නම හදාගන්න. That's it. Okay, so let's move to the lesson now. Actually, we were discussing about the specifications lesson. We have just given the introduction, but we didn't start the lesson. And let me know how the note is shared to you. So that is different from the last session. Last month, we note last year. How actually we are going to share the lesson? We are going to share you a Google Sheet. Sorry, Google Doc. So we will be creating a Google Doc. Actually, we will be creating not just single. We will be creating multiple documents, right? And that will be shared to you. That will be shared to you. For an example, you can see this one. So this is some sample note. So your note will be shared to you like grade 9 example. Your note will be shared to you. So something like this. Okay, grade 9. Then ICT, English medium, your name, and the November note. This will be shared with the titles and spaces. You have topics and spaces to fill the gap, right? This is shared to your personal WhatsApp or your email or whatever your contact or your Discord sometimes. It's personally shared, right? This is not to share with the others. මේක අනිත් අයත් එක්ක share කරගන්න නෙමෙයි අපි යවන්නේ. This is a personally shared document to you. What you have to do, you have to maintain this. When I give the notes using presentation, or when I tell special note, when I ask you to write down, you can write it there, right? So then you have to fill this. Okay, let's say you are filling this each and every month. You are filling a note. Actually, after 3 months, we will be sending a printed note of this to you. After 3 months, we will be sending a printed one to you. Of a completed first 3 months notes will be sent in March. The next 3 months will be sent on June, July. The next 3 months will be sent August, September. Likewise, every 3 months you'll be getting the note, the printed one. The soft copy, every month you are getting that. When you pay and register, every month you will get the soft copy note. Right? That is personally shared. It is not commonly shared to everyone. It's personally shared to you. It's a personalized note. You can write down in the book. It's okay, you can write down in the book, but you have to fill this one. This is how we are going to mark the attendance, and we are going to correct all the exercises. Everything will be there. You will be given supported videos, everything, the links, and also in the same document, right? So it will be a single place to maintain your notes. Because this is IT class, we can maintain a soft copy note with some resource links, unlike the other classes. So this will be a different experience this time. Okay, so that's it. And another thing, that if you want to build your machine, okay, specification, actually we have discussed what is specification. Today also we will be discussing about that, and some resources, right? Here I'm going to share you a special document today. So this actually you can do this as a homework, not now, but let me explain after sharing this to you. This is a common one. Okay, so the first thing is, under this chapter, the practical is creating your own computer. Yes, this month also you are getting a note. Right, under this practical, you are going to create your own computer. So link is shared to you. Actually, you have to get specifications or get requests from different vendors or different providers in the internet. Right? Okay, assume that you can actually do that, right? So one thing is you can actually do that. So one recommended site that you can actually, this is not properly there, but this is one recommended site, pcbuilder.com. Actually, this has two specific ways, but unfortunately in this site you cannot see the you cannot see the calculator, but I think this will be soon be corrected. Earlier days there was a calculator. Earlier there was a calculator actually. So when you go to the calculator, now it's redirected into a Google form. But there was a calculator. When this calculator was there, so it was really easy to build your computer. Because when you add the component, so there are two approaches: reuse oriented approach, or you can use the brand new approach. So if you are building a reuse based computer, it will be cheaper. But if you are using a brand new computing application or brand new gadgets, it will be costly. But this is like most recommended way of building application, especially if you are in Sri Lanka. Why? So through these people, you can order. So once you fill this, actually they will ask 2 questions. Once you fill this, they will ask 2 questions. Do you want to build the computer in our place and send it to you? So that means they are going to build your computer in their place and they are going to ship it to you. The second way is they are going to send you the parts with some assistant. So my recommendation is the second method. Why? Getting parts with assistant. Why?
We can learn how
Yes, you can learn. That will be a course. That will be a workshop-like thing. Right? Then you will get the parts as well as you will get an assistant to help you build in your own PC. Then you know how it is built. And warranty will be given same way, right? That is the advantage. Even though you get separate parts, you will get the part warranty and the whole warranty because assistant is there. If you are not getting the assistant, I think you won't get the warranty then. The assistant නැතුව build කරන්න ගියොත් සමහර විට ඒගොල්ලෝ warranty එක දෙන්නේ නැති. I'm not sure. Just predicting. Don't know what is the process. But if you request this with an assistant, then the advantage is you will be able to build your own machine. So that is a really good work. So this is all island available service, but unfortunately this site is like under maintenance. I called them and got to know that it's under maintenance, and we'll be back within few weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. So you can just go to keep in touch, keep this link, keep in touch, and then you can just, in case if you need to build your computer, you can just go through their site and try their methods. So this is interesting thing, right? Because learning and building can be done same time. Why? So basically this cannot be done in other sites. So that is the specialty of this site, and relatively it's cheaper, but not the cheapest. Aduma not bad, but relatively it's cheaper, but not the cheapest, right? So maybe you can find other things, but already built computers, no. ඊට වැඩිය ලේසි ඔයාට ඔයාගේ computer එක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. So you can build your computer using this. So that will be an advantage. You can just try it. Okay. Okay, what you have to do. So let me explain this exercise. What you have to do. So if you want to create your own computer, what kind of appliances you need? Without looking at this, can you tell me what kind of components?
Motherboard, RAM, processor, monitor,
Monitor,
keyboard, mouse,
monitor, you
motherboard,
graphic card,
motherboard. What else?
processor,
Power supply,
processor,
processor,
RAM,
Hard
disk,
processor,
hard
and
disk,
graphic card,
yes, processor, random access memory, graphics
SSD,
card.
SSD,
Yes, you need SSD or
HDD,
HDD, hard disk drive or
Mouse.
solid state.
NVM,
UPS.
Mouse.
Yes, you need HDD. Actually, what was their graphic card or processor?
keyboard,
Yes, processor. HDD. Yes, you need keyboard. If you
Mouse.
don't know these terms, don't worry. I'll explain. Mouse,
casing,
UPS,
casing,
casing. Yes, obviously.
speakers,
Speakers.
NVM,
Yes, NVRAM. Anything else? The most required things?
network adapter,
Yeah, network adapter, maybe Wi-Fi or any network adapter. If you need Bluetooth and also you need such adapters, those are some extra things, right? But anyway, mainly these are the components that you need, right? So mainly these are the components that you need. What you have to do? What you have to do is this. I think I have listed everything. Yeah. So monitor, that you already know. Monitor is the screen that you see. Monitor again, screen then motherboard, main board. That is where the all components are connected. Sieluma components connected motherboard. I'll explain one by one, right? Then the power supply, that is where you get the power. Processor, that is the main processing. Random access memory, that is the main memory. Or the main memory. SDD means solid state drive. Hard disk එකක් අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන් solid state. එතකොට ගොඩක් fast අත්තරම. Solid state drive එකක් hard disk එකට දාගන්න පුළුවන් නම් it will be faster. Solid state means it has components, those components are not moving. It has components and those components are not moving, then we call them solid status. And then HDD is hard
setup
disk.
NVM,
Sorry,
setup NVMe,
set up NVMe. Then it's hard disk drive. And then keyboard, mouse, UPS means uninterrupted power supply. When power failures are happening, You need uninterrupted power supply. Okay, these are the components that you need. So what you have to do now? What you have to do now? Actually, you need to. Okay, you need to find out tree providers. Actually, this should be actual, right? Actual tree providers. No need to go to the shops. The because of the corona issues and all, so don't move here and there. But what you can do is you can browse internet now. Okay, one site I just mentioned, and there are some more sites, right? There are some more sites like Barclays.
Nanotech.lk.
Yes, Nanotech, Barclays. You can just go to their sites and see. So these are also some other providers, but they are having that different. You have, if you want to buy branded parts, so they have that, right? So here, and Nanotech is another one.
Exxon.lk.
Exxon is another one.
Redline Tech.
Yes, you know a lot. Good. You have tried your build everywhere, right? Okay. So likewise, you can try it. So these are especially coming for the brand new computers, workstations, games, gaming PCs, and like Chama computers. There are many brands like coming like that. But so you can just observe, right? Just go through their sites and see. Okay. So these are some examples. What you can do, you can add the feature. So think that actually you are going to do this for you. So let's say monitor, you need like 19-inch IPS monitor, and you can include the cost, actual cost, but mention the provider here, right? Maybe you can mention the provider maybe nanotech.lk. You can mention the provider there. Even you can use website like eBay, Ikman.lk, or Amazon.com. So they are also sending the components. AliExpress. You can use websites like this even. That doesn't matter. Can a computer common websites use command. And then the cost. Let's say, so this is strong price, right? You can mention the price, the feature and the price. Actually, you have to compare that from some other vendor. Same feature, so price from some other vendor. Same feature, price from some other shop, vendor or shop or different place. Okay, feature. Okay, let's say motherboard. You say you need MSI motherboard. You can search this, right? I know you don't know about much about these things, but don't worry. Just go through that and see. Power supply, processor. Let's say you need i5 5th generation. And so what will be the cost? Don't, so no need to be too technical. So if you know the technical part, yes, you can write like that. So what you have to do is you have to take a copy of my document. So just take a copy of this, right, and edit it. Make a copy again, create your own file there and edit it. And ultimately you have to protect this, right? So after creating that, right click and protect this. Otherwise, others will edit this. Make a protect karamahari. You can right click in your sheet and protect. When you protect the sheet, the others cannot edit it. So that is the advantage. When you protect the sheet, the others cannot edit this. Then it will be securely kept for your editing. Otherwise, what will happen? If you keep like this, then someone else can edit. The next day you will tell, sir, mama make a damma, but now make a then make a net. Someone has deleted. So that cannot, that kind of accidents can happen. Therefore, what you have to do, please protect your sheet.
Sir, I cannot see that option.
So how to protect it?
Right click in your sheet. After creating, right click on the sheet and you can see protect sheet. Can you see?
Okay,
Don't
sir.
protect other sheets, right? Don't protect other sheets. Then it will be definitely a problem. You have to protect your sheet. So don't protect other sheets because then others cannot read that.
See that option.
So what is the computer that you're using? Are you using laptop or mobile phone?
Laptop.
Should see that. Okay, let me share. I'll let you share that. Can you share quickly? Just share it. Senut.
Sir, when it is cost me to I redirect to the Dasun sheet.
Which one? Okay. Are you but this Senut, have you created this one in your email?
Yes, sir.
So what is the web browser that you're using? Is it Edge or
Sir, Microsoft Edge.
can you try with Chrome maybe? Google Chrome or
Okay.
Firefox? Okay, can you create a new sheet and share me? අලුත් sheet එකක් හදලා පෙන්නන්න බලන්න ඒකත් වැඩ කරන්නේ නැද්ද කියලා. Just want to see that. Hello. Can you share the sheet if you're okay? Create a new sheet, then still you cannot see that, right? So I think you have to try with maybe the other one. Try with some like something like Google Chrome maybe.
Okay, sir. I will try. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. So let's move to the one. Actually, now don't do this now, right? You can do this later. Don't do this now. You can do this as a homework. I'll check that later, right? Next day. So why I am giving this exercise? Because you too check that practically. And if you like to build your computer, so I would like to so if you can actually willing to build a computer. Yes, I bought from Nanotech also. Nanotech is like it's also good. But the thing is now some products are not available with them. So I'm not sure. I didn't check recently, and some pricing is little bit higher than the expectation, right? So some are like, I don't know whether it's like fair price or not. So some prices I saw that it's like seems like unfair pricing because like it's really high. Even all these vendors, right? Even I saw this in Barclays and all. Maybe recently they have increased this suddenly because of this dollar rates and all. But actually speaking, those are not costing that much. Those are not costing that much. You can still find the places with lower costs. Actually, so one small example. Let's say you want to build a computer, i3 computer with 16 GB RAM. i3, let's say i3 dual core or quad core computer with 16 GB RAM. What will be the cost? Can you tell estimated?
130.
Sorry.
130.
So no, I'm just telling like for with reuse components. Not even that.
43,000.
80,000.
Around 30,000. That's the thing. So that's the actual pricing, right? i3, so around 40,000, 50,000 maximum. i3 with let's say 16 GB random access memory. You can just search there, and you can find some place here. This is like 3rd gen Core i3 16 GB RAM with 2 TB hard disk. So it will cost you around like 43,000. This is not for the entire machine. This is for the system unit, right? System unit will cost you 43,000 for this is Intel and 3rd gen with 2 TB hard disk and 16 GB RAM, 2 GB VG on board, 8 USBs and gaming power supply. So some good deal. With monitor and all these accessories, it will cost around 55,000, 60,000 maximum. Okay, if you want to buy such laptop, what will be the cost? With these features, a laptop? මේ features තියෙන laptop එකක් ගත්තොත් කීයක් විතර cost වෙයිද? Sorry?
60,000.
60,000? No, laptops definitely will cost you around like 200,000. 200,000 or like 150,000 at least. So that's the thing. For laptops, so that's the laptop market. Laptop market is different one, right? So if you want to buy a similar laptop with like some higher features, so like you have to pay something more. So this is for the desktop, but for the laptop, it will be a different market, right? So that is the nature basically. I don't have any laptop to show here, only this one, but that is also not, I think it's not that features here. 4GB DDR4 it's not enough. i3 is with 4GB DDR4 like 85,000 and even 1 TB hard disk. VGA is, so what about the VGA? It's not mentioned, right?
It said is the visual graphics adapter.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah. It is shared VGA of 2GB. So then shared VGA up to 2GB of with 4GB RAM means like you are in disaster. Again, TNS 4GB, එකනොත් දෙකක් VGA එකට දෙන්න උනාම ඉතින් ඉවරයි. So you're like this, if you buy this laptop, like, so it will be slower, right? So before you buy, you have to like, you should understand. So what will be a comfortable, what is needed, what is your requirement? According to the requirement, you have to buy the machine, right? Okay, so likewise, plan it and do this. Next day, you have to plan it and do this, fill this. May sheet එක fill කරන්න ඔයාලා plan කරලා. Right? Plan and fill the sheet. Then, so next day we'll discuss about your plan. So අපි බලමු දැන් එක එක්කෙනා එක එක ගණන් වලට හොයාගෙන තියෙනවා, but don't copy others things, right? So that is really not good. So don't try to copy from the others. You try to build your own one. So I'm sharing link again. මම ආයෙ link එක දෙන්නම් ඔයාලට. එතකොට ඔයාලට තියෙන්නේ website කීපයකින් බලන්න පුතේ ගණන්. එක තැනකින් නෙමෙයි කීපයකින් බලලා එකම වගේ machine එකක් හදන්න යන වියදම බලමු අපි. So that's okay, this is the link. Right? Okay. So that's it. Let's go to the lesson again. So preparing the computer specification is right. It's the first lesson. Actually, why we need specifications? Because before we buy a machine, before we buy a computer, we should know our need and why we should buy a machine. Okay, let's say your need is just to do your school work. Under your school work, what you do? Okay, if you list, so what are the school works? Like if you are in grade 9, so what are the things that you do in the school?
Online class.
Yes, you need to attend online classes. So let's prepare the
Maybe
list of requirement. Yes,
Make some spreadsheets.
yes, attend online classes. What are the requirements for attending online class? Okay, so please write down your heading. Write down heading in your command note, right? Command writing book, you can write down the heading. Specifications. Related to computers based on your need. Specification related to computers based on your need. Okay, as a grade 9 student, to attend online classes. So what are the specific needs you need to attend online classes today? You need a webcam, right? So basically, for better interactivity, you need a webcam. What else you need?
Microphone.
Yes, you need microphone.
Wi-Fi adapter.
Yes, it's better to have Wi-Fi. Better to have Wi-Fi. Anything else?
Speakers.
Yes, speakers or headphones. Speaker or headphones. Anything else?
Monitor.
Yes, definitely you need a monitor. So that's a generally, right? So generally you need a monitor. So no need to specifically write that. These are the specific needs, right? But you need the general components. General components I'll write at last. Okay, so then need to do programming. Need to do programming. So you need like so since you know need to do programming, you need maybe multitasking processor. A processor capable of doing multiple tasks.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as a laptop, where is the microphone situated?
In laptops you need that so it depends, like in microphone basically it's there above the keyboard, or sometimes it's there in the corner, but it is not visible. It's like hidden. It's not visible, it's hidden. So basically
So it's near the webcam.
yeah, some laptops it's near the webcam, right?
Okay, sir.
Computer to computer it depends with the, if you check like, okay, so for an example, if you check MacBook, yeah, where's the microphone? So the microphone situated, speakers and all here. MacBook, yeah, microphone. So if you check that, you can see the microphone situation here. And some laptops microphone situation here. This one you can see it's in the side, right? So likewise, computer to computer.
Sir, how to check whether processor is supported for multitasking?
If your process is supporting multitasking, Pute, so basically you can work with multiple applications same time, similar time. So most of the modern processors are supporting this by no, actually normally most of the modern processors are supporting this. But let's say you have like dual core, dual core or quad core, hexa core. Definitely you have different cores, means different applications can be run. Single core processors now it's very rare, right? Single core processors are very rare. Earlier days we had, but now almost all the processors are multiple core processors. Multi core processors. Multi core means inside processor you have different processing units. Okay, so what else you need to do?
Graphic designing.
To do some important projects.
Yeah, graphic design, yes, can be like running applications.
To do some important projects.
Yes, important project. Running applications in Windows environment. So basically you need Windows operating system to do that. And maybe running an experience or get experience or exposure to multiple operating systems. Actually, to do that, we need virtualization support. Need virtualization support in processor. And shareable amount of processing power, memory, and storage. So suggesting you at least like 8 GB RAM, the least, right? More, the better. If you have more, will be better. At least i3. Or at least dual core or above processor. i3 processor or dual core or above processor. So these are some requirements. Okay, the cost. Reuse oriented. You can buy such computer for 30 to 50,000 rupees. So if you go branded, the cost will be around 60 to 100,000. Laptop will be 100,000 to 200,000. A tab, least recommended. A mobile phone or smartphone, and tab is least recommended. The thing is that if you are learning IT, so it's quite difficult to do the practicals with the tab or smartphone. As difficult to do the practicals. That is the issue, right? No other issues. So here also the same thing, as it's difficult, but can do, but least recommended, right? Because it's difficult to do the practical things. So that's the issue, right? No other issue, but only the practical issue. So these are the main concerns when you buy a computer as a grade 9 students. So if your budget is around 30,000, 40,000, still you have a solution that is reuse oriented. This is actually recommended, right? Why I'm not recommending other things? Why I'm not recommending a branded or laptop? Reason? What do you think?
They are not very important, sir.
No, branded or laptop is good solution, but I'm not recommending that. It's a good solution. Yes.
More cost.
One is cost, but forget about the cost. So think about the maintainability, adaptability, and so okay. So if you want to if you want to learn driving, so how many of you are using BMW i8 to learn driving? L-Board BMW i8. So I have not seen that. L-Board BMW i8. So normally people are not doing such things, right? Because if you want to learn, like you have to use a maybe like robust, or if you are using a Benz S-Class or something. So why? Or Audi, to learn purpose, why you are using such thing? So that is unwanted, right? Because any time this can be damaged due to our mismanagement. Because still we are learning, right? If you are in red line means you are still learning. So you should be able to do things with this, right? But if you are going to use a brand new computer or laptop, it is not suitable for learning purpose. For learning, you need like some hard machine. That's why you have to use a reuse, because you can remove the components, you can replace it easily maintainable, easily you can update that. And again, if it damaged, you can throw it away without much worrying, right? So, but if you're, let's say you bought a laptop for even for 700,000, there are laptops, right? I saw that recently there's advertisement in Singer or somewhere. So there's a laptop and that cost was like around 700,000, 750,000. Like I said, it's a costly laptop. But the thing is, what we are going to do with that? Right? You can't remove the components. You can't learn these things. Therefore, better to learn with a reuse-oriented machine. But after learning, you can shift to a professional machine. After learning, you can move to this kind of machine, right? After learning, okay, let's say you have good knowledge. You know how to replace, you know how to maintain, you know how to troubleshoot, everything you know. Now it's time to move to a professional environment. Now it's time to move to a professional environment. Otherwise, so using a professional machine for learning is like least recommended thing. But using a beginner's computer for learning, so it's like, have you seen in the learners, most of the learning place learners, they are using some old vans, old cars, and all. Because that is for learning. For learning, you can use that. But for earning, you can use this. If you want to earn something, if you want to earn, maybe if you are doing professional editing, if you are a professional videographer, video editor, then you have to shift. If you are like an audio engineer, then you can't do it maybe a reuse-oriented computer. You need a brand new machine with good VGA, right? High supportive, high-end VGA, maybe HDMI, high definition support, right? You have to move to such environment if you're using professional editing, gaming, professional. If you are a professional gamer, then you have to move to this. Likewise, when you want to do professional tasks, you can move to a high-end computer, but if you want to learn, go for a low-end computer. So that is the recommended. Okay. Keep that in mind when you're creating a computer. Okay. So that we have to adapt actually. So you have to identify there are different users. According to your book also, there are different users. There are programmers, network engineers, network administrators. There are system analysis, software engineer, computer application assistant, web developers, like us, different users are there. Network administrators, they are basically, their goal is to connect the computers, work with the connected environment. So they need different computers than us. Maybe they need computers with 2-3 network adapters because they want to connect to few networks and see. And they are using different Wi-Fi adapters, different network adapters, which can even be used to send network signals. So I had one, I'm not sure whether I have it now. If I have, I'll show it. Wait. Seems not here now. No. I'll show you. There's a network adapter course. This is like network adapter sending signals. Actually, we call that because our network adapters basically it's capable of receiving signals. We use basically network adapters for receiving signals, but there are special adapters used by these network people. They are using for sending. This is like this sending means like you can manually generate signals and send it. And for example, I have an adapter. That adapter I can send a negative signal. I can send a negative signal and disconnect someone from the network. Okay, let's say you are connected to internet. I don't like your connection. So what I can do, I can throw you away from the network. That is basically used by hackers mainly, or sometimes this is used by forces or some security people. Since I'm doing I'm into security, ethical hacking, I have such adapter, but I'm not using for actually sending others out. Let's say you are connected to Wi-Fi. Using that adapter, I can disconnect you from Wi-Fi. Maybe I am in the next door. But I can still disconnect you from the internet using Wi-Fi. So there are such things, right? Network signal ගන්න විතරක් නෙවෙයි network signal යවලා අනිත් අයගේ network වලට affect වෙන්න විදිහට වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන් network adapters ටික. Okay, something like that. So network people will think about different aspects. System analyst, in the other hand, system analyst is the person. Okay, Tihan, what system analyst is? System analyst la මොනවද කරන්නේ? Sorry, Ronald, no? Ronald. Yes?
They analyze databases and
No.
informations.
No, system analyst la කරන්නේ. System analyst basically they are analyzing the entire system. They are the people who start the software development cycle. Software එකක් හදන්න කලින් before build a software. Okay, let's say you are given a task to build a software to a bank. Bank එකකට software එකක් වඩ හදන්න දෙනවා. Actually, system analyst is the person who go to the bank, visit them, and find their requirement, their needs, what they need, how they need. So system analyst is the person who transform business need to the software need. Is it clear enough? Like, is it too technical? He is the person who transform the business need. Business need කියන්නේ bank එකක කරන දේවල් software එකට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. bank එක වෙනම side එකක්, software එක වෙනම side එකක්. ඒතර bank එකක තියෙන terms, bank එක තියෙනවා OD තියෙනවා. ඒතර account AC dormant status accounts, inactive accounts, opening account, interest, maybe so different like different penalties like thing, transfer rate, interest rates. So these terms are like bit odd to software developers. Software developers ලට මේ terms පොඩ්ඩක් odd. ඒවා වෙනස්. Actually system analyst කියන්නේ ඒ bank එකට ගිහිල්ලා bank එකේ වචන ටික software එකට අදාළ විදිහට software engineers ලට තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට convert කරනවා. Software engineers can understand technical words related to software. Bankers can understand technical words related to bankers. Actually, system analyst is the intermediate person who translate the banking needs to software needs. Sometimes system analyst, when he go to the hospital, he will translate hospital needs to the software needs. Hospital එකේ වැඩ software එකට convert කරන්නේ system analyst. එතකොට එයා ගියොත් HR department එකට he will convert the HR needs to the software needs. When system analysts go to a military or forces, he will convert the security needs to the software needs. He is the intermediate person. Understood who the system analyst is? Now,
Yes, sir.
it's not just database, right? ඕනම තැනක තියෙන business එකක් IT වලට convert කරන්න, software එකට convert කරන්න උදව් කරන කෙනා තමයි system analyst. He is designing the system. Actually, software engineer is the developer. He is the actual person who developed that. And the computer application assistant means user. He is the person who used that. Okay, network administrator links. Programmer codes, write the coding. Network administrator link in this computer. System analyst link in the business world to software world. Software engineer do the actual development. Application assistant use that. Web developer is developing the websites. He's designing, developing websites. Okay, so with that basic idea, let's move to the 1.2. Actually, we can discuss this section. I think we can discuss it next day. Right, we have done the introduction. I know this is a theoretical lesson, but we have a lot of things to learn in future, technical and theoretical both sides. I'll discuss remaining part next day. Then good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir. Thank you.